All right, guys, this is an Amana dryer. I am going to show you how to take it apart. This person is saying that it's making a weird noise, so let's see what we're gonna find inside the machine. So first thing we're gonna do is get a flat screwdriver, pop the front on the other side. Yep, just like that. Take the cover up on the top. See, the bell looks good, so it's not the bell. There's a door switch there. You want to release that. There's going to be two screws, one over here and one over there on the other side. So, see, it's turning. So, okay, I got the one screw out, one screw there. There's going to be two little hooks that sit on each side, one on the right and one on the left side, and that's what's keeping the whole front door, the whole front plate to come out. So you got to use a little bit of force to get it out. All right, I got it out. So see, I don't see anything there. I don't see any debris, but there, yeah. So let me try to turn it. Yeah, it's turning. So, all right, so you got to release that bell. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to release the bell. You need 2 hands for that. So yeah, once you release that, then you can take the drum and check the rollers and check the motor. So there you go. All right, so that's the belt tensioner. It's spinning nicely. The motor is turning, so it's not the motor. That's on one roller. That's a second roller, so that's not it. Everything looks good, but oh, look at that. You see that? That's what it is. There's trash in there. Look at that. That's not supposed to be there. Okay, so that means we got to put it all back, and we got to start on we got to check the back cover. So we got to take out the whole back. Oh, okay. So that right there, those are right there. That's what you want to do if the dryer is not working. You want to check those points, like the thermal fuse, the thermal cutoff, and all of that. But all that debris, all that trash is actually inside there. So see, I took it out. See, all of that in there. So see, that's the way it's supposed to look. So I'm gonna check, turn the blower. Yeah, there's nothing there. The blower is turning. So all right, so we put in it back. There's 3 screws to hold this cover. This is the blower cover. That is held by 3 screws. There's one more on the bottom, which is right there. That keeps it in place. So there was more trash in there. So there's 2 more screws on the top. That is from the other side. That's where you put the lint filter to catch all that lint coming in. So yeah, right there. Perfect. See, Amana dryer. It's a beautiful dryer. So that's what I found. I found money in there. That's what was making the weird noise. All that weird noise. So let me see. I got it all back together. See how clean it is. If you look at the video from the beginning, see, I'm turning the drum. It's turning nicely. So if you see the red coming up, the red glowing, that means the heating element is turning on. Right now I'm holding the door switch. That way I can see, you can hold the door switch. So the machine is gonna start heating up. Looks good. All right, guys, thumbs up.